Welcome to autobarstop.com. Today we are so pleased to introduce you to Twitter automation tool which can support you in doing any activities on Twitter like auto update either bio website inbound, select users, auto follow, unfollow message, auto like, reply to users tweet inbound, agree follows, likes, auto post tweet on Twitter, on mass retweets for Twitter posts. In this video, we will show you instructions on how to follow and unfollow users automatically with Twitter automation tool. There are several basic settings you need to set up before running this function. Please refer to the video of tutorial how to update avatar bio and website for Twitter accounts automatically from minute 1:30 to minute 10:15. I will post link of this video in the description box. After finishing our basic setting, now at action section you will select follow users. Next, move to the list of users section. You will create a text file to save users that you want to follow. For example, these are users that I want to follow. I will enter these users per line, then click to save. And at list of users section, click on this icon, select a list of user text file created. Then click OK to run. You can click on Show Browser to see how the software follows users that you enter in the list of users. Now we will run unfollow users function. At action section, you will select unfollow users. The software will unfollow the users that you have followed before. And in this run, I will use the list of users that I use for follow users. Click OK to run. Then click Control Browser to see how the server unfollow users that you have followed before. These demonstrated above are instructions on how to follow and unfollow users on Twitter with Twitter automation tool. You can visit artbarsoft.com to see more useful software. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.